welcome back to my channel. I do have a different video today, one a voiceover, which I've never done, and a baking video. Fall is just about here, which I'm so excited. So right now you are seeing the pumpkin cream cheese muffins, which are delicious, and I also have another option of a caramel apple dump cake right in the crock pot, which is super easy. I'm gonna go ahead and take you to the store, pick up some ingredients, and we can go ahead and get started. Hope you guys enjoy. Alright, you guys, to start off, I did use these slow cooker liners. They made for such easy cleanup, so I definitely recommend those for any type of cooking in your crock pot. And right now we're gonna go ahead and empty out both cans of the apple pie filling to the bottom. And once we are done, we're just gonna smooth that out. Okay guys, so for the caramel of the cake, I'm using half a cup. I would probably use more knowing now. Only thing to watch out for, it does start to burn around the edges. So use as much or as little as you like and you'll be all set. Okay, now for some mixing, I'm going to be using the butter yellow recipe cake mix that I did buy. I heard a lot of people use the spice cake mix, so if that's something you're interested in, definitely go ahead and check it out. Tell me how it is in the comments. I was thinking about doing that one, but ended up doing this one. Right now I am pouring in 1 stick of melted butter and just going to go ahead and whisk that. Okay, so as you can see here, there are a lot of clumps in this mix. I am going to try and smash them down a little bit with my whisk. Not really working, so I'm going to go ahead and transfer over to a fork, kind of smush it down, kind of make the mix a little bit more even. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and pour the mixture on top of what we already have in the crock pot and just even it out with my hand and then pack it down with a fork. Okay, you guys, we are going to go ahead and get that settled in the crock pot and let it cook for those 4 hours. We're going to be moving on to the muffins now. I did end up using about 3 mixing bowls, so you may need to clean one a few times, or if you have 3, that's great, because you're going to need them. Alright, go ahead and set that bowl to the side and grab another bowl. We're going to be doing another mixture. This is going to be pretty much our main muffin mixture with the pumpkin and all. So just make sure you have that all separate. Just a tip for you guys, make sure you don't get the pumpkin pie filling. Make sure it is the pumpkin puree. Otherwise, it won't work for this recipe, so just make sure. so it's time to use the dry mixture from earlier. I'm going to go ahead and mix that in about 3 different parts. I don't want to add it all in at once because then it's going to be a little bit difficult to mix. So now we're going to start making the cream cheese swirl. Like I said, another bowl, but this one's pretty quick and it's very easy. Okay, guys, and you are going to be needing 1 egg yolk for the cream cheese recipe. I'm not sure if I'm the only one who has a hard time getting the actual yolk from the egg, but thank God for my boyfriend who was able to show me the water bottle trick, so we're in business. Alright, you guys, we're finally done mixing, so I'm going to go ahead and take a tablespoon and just scoop in the mixture into our pan and use about a tablespoon or so of the cream cheese icing and add that on top. I think I used too much. It was a little bit hard to kind of make the swirls in the end, but if you're really big on cream cheese, just go at it. Alright guys, the caramel apple cake is done, and look at that steam. I've been having to smell this for 4 hours and it's been hard, so I'm so excited to try this. The only thing I wish was a little bit different was the top. I wish the whole thing was a little bit more crunchier because the crunchy parts are amazing, but it does get a little bit soggy in some, so kind of just watch out for that if you're more of a crunchy person. Also, I am pairing it with some vanilla ice cream because it's just amazing with some apples and cake, and it's just delicious. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making it, and happy fall, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.